In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-ups in Squarespace for promotions or email capture. Whether you're looking to boost your sales or grow your email list, mastering this tool can significantly enhance your website's engagement. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace account. If you haven't done this already, go to the Squarespace website and enter your credentials. Remember, ensuring you're on a secure network while logging in is always a smart practice to safeguard your personal information. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the account dashboard. From here, select the website that you want to work with. This dashboard is your command center, giving you easy access to all your Squarespace website management tools. Now, by selecting your site, you're telling Squarespace, hey, this is the project I'd like to focus on today. After selecting the website, you'll move on to editing it. In your dashboard, look for the section labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens and where you can play around with the structure and layout of your site. Scroll through the options until you come across something called Marketing Tools. It's nestled in there, often toward the bottom, so you might need to do a little scrolling to find it. Within the Marketing Tools, you'll see an option for promotional pop-up. Select this. The promotional pop-up tool is your new best friend for engaging visitors with announcements, special offers, or capturing email addresses directly on your site. It's like having a virtual sales assistant ready to engage your visitors every time they drop by. Now find the switch labeled Display Pop-up and toggle it to activate the feature. You'll see options to customize your pop-up's design, message, and behavior. In other words, when and how often it shows up for your visitors. Feel free to get creative here, but keep in mind that a simple, clear message often works best to grab your audience's attention without overwhelming them. Once you're happy with your settings and confident that your promotional pop-up is ready to see the light of day, don't forget to save your work. There's usually a save button located at the bottom or top of the settings page. Clicking this saves your changes and sets your pop-up live on your site. This step is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, you'll lose all the hard work you've put in configuring your pop-up, and there you have it. You've just added a promotional pop-up to your Squarespace site. It's a simple addition that can make a big difference in how you engage visitors and grow your audience. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to leverage this feature to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching and happy creating.